Hi there, I want to talk about what's happening out here in the tropical Pacific, specifically for the Okinawa area. I have a separate update on Invest 97 and 98W for all my friends out there across the Philippines. So want to take a look at that. Make sure you find the video here on the Westpacwx YouTube channel. But yeah, so here's this area, and then we have another area back towards the east. If we're talking about Okinawa, it's all about the cold surge that's taking place. This blast of cool air coming in from far eastern Russia, I mean northeastern China, and as what happens during the autumn season, this cold air wants to kind of equalize the atmosphere, so it plunges towards the south off these what we call bubble highs. Bubble breaks off, pushes south. The leading edge of that interacts with that warmer air mass in the tropics, and we get these tight pressure gradients, which we're seeing right now in the northern areas of the Philippines. But the side effect is still windy conditions for northern Taiwan and yeah, here into Okinawa through the mid and latter part of the week. And then we have another area that is already named the tropical depression via Bagasa is expected to move towards the north. And that once again is going to interact with that area of high pressure, now moving over towards the Korean Peninsula, extending through northern Japan. And that creates that tight pressure gradient. So you're going to have several days of generally cloudy skies. Not a lot of rainfall, but partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies with loads of gusty northeasterly winds. Definitely a choppy surf anywhere on the northern portions of the islands. Very dangerous rip currents in place. Offshore winds down towards the south won't be as bad, but definitely rip currents. Look at these winds upwards 20, 40 kilometers per hour sustained. Could see some gust higher up between that. So it's definitely going to be a solid wind as we look ahead throughout this week. Might get a little rain late week as that system passes just towards the south and could even edge towards the north. Here's a look at those waves. So rough seas. You got any sailor friends out there? I've sailed during these cold surges, and they are not fun. Point that out there. Anyways, that's all right now. Just a quick update for my friends out here in Okinawa. Hey, you guys want to help out the channel? Check out the Patreon if you want. I'm not gonna force you. I'm not gonna push too much on that today. Just want to point it out. Let's take a look at the forecast across the board, though. There's those temperatures out there in Okinawa, 26 degrees, only for a high on Tuesday, all thanks to that cold surge. And there's the cloudy skies as we go ahead over towards Wednesday, a little bit warmer. But look where this air mass is coming from. Beijing, just a high of 18. Ulaanbaatar, 9 with lows into the negative numbers, -3. This is all Celsius, mind you. That would be about 28, 29 degrees Fahrenheit. And as we look at over towards Thursday, a little bit warmer, but still the cloudy skies and those breezy conditions continuing, while Tokyo is actually staying relatively cooler thanks to that cold surge. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday is when the rain could return as the next tropical area passes just towards our south. But the thing that doesn't show you here is just that general windy conditions through the rest of the week. All right, that's all. Have a fantastic day.